Alright. Tornado watch. There we go. Let's get it. Come on. Get. Of course, Janesville's going off first. Alright, come on. Come on, Rockford area. Alright, issue it. Come on. I like the monitoring Janesville idea with that 120. It's my original 120. Easy. Alright, come on. Let's go. There we go. That thing always activates.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds.
There's a tone out in the scanner.
Boone County Belvidere units, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Boone County until 11 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Boone County until 11 p.m. Timeout 1653 clear.
Probably be a couple other tone outs too.
Thunderstorm watch 506 has been canceled, which includes the following counties in Wisconsin.